This demonstration will show just how easy the technical setup is for the Minecraft coding and programming course. You'll need to install Minecraft EDU in accordance with the Survival Craft Technical Guide. After you've completed the installation, you may then follow this technical guide to install the mods. The mods will have to be installed on the server and the client computers. We'll then install the expansion pack. The expansion pack needs to be installed only on the computers that you plan to play in or view the world. You will install the maps. The maps will need to be installed on the server computer. And then Lightbot will need to be copied onto the desktop of each of the student computers. We will also take a look at testing for Flash and installing it if necessary. All of the necessary files can be found in the Worlds folder on the Document Center. After downloading the files, you can copy them onto a USB flash drive for ease of installation on computers that do not have internet access. We will begin by demonstrating the process to install the mods on a computer with internet access. To install the mods, open up the Minecraft EDU launcher, click Mods, click Switch to Online Mods, select Custom NPCs, click Download Mod. We also need to install the ComputerCraft EDU mod. Highlight it, click Download Mod. After they're done downloading, click Switch to Local Mods. Click Client Mods. Verify that all of the mods have been selected. Click Server Mods. Verify all of the mods have been selected. And that concludes the installation of the mods. To install the mods on a computer that does not have internet access, you'll first need to copy the mods onto a USB drive. To copy the mods onto a USB drive, you'll need to use a computer that already has the mods installed. Plug in your USB drive and open the launcher. Click Mods. Click Open Mods folder. Highlight the mods. Right-click. Select Send to. Choose your USB drive. And now your mods have been copied onto the USB drive. To install the mods on a computer that does not have internet access, first plug your USB drive into a port on your computer and start the Minecraft launcher. Select Mods, select Import Mod, select Import from Computer, select Apply Client as Client Mod and Apply as Server Mod. Select Browse. You will need to find your USB drive in the pull-down menu at the top of the Browse window. And then you can select your mods one at a time and import. Click Import, and you'll have a Import Successful pop-up. Then you'll need to browse for the other mod and import again. You'll have a successful message. You can close this window, and as before, check that the client mods are all selected. Check that the server mods are selected. Installation of the mods is complete. For the sake of this demonstration, I have downloaded the Superhero expansion pack, the map files, and Lightbot onto my desktop. You may use any download location you choose. To install the Superhero expansion pack, first you'll need to unzip the folder. Right-click, choose Extract All. Make sure Show Extracted Files when complete has been selected. Click Extract. When it's through extracting, select Superheroes and Superheroettes, right-click, choose Copy. Then start the Minecraft EDU launcher. click Open, choose Open Minecraft folder, open the Mods folder, and then open 1.6.4, open Custom PCS, Assets, Custom PCS, Textures, and then the Entity folder, and then right-click over on the side and choose Paste. After doing that, you should see the superheroes and superheroettes have been pasted into this folder. And then your superhero expansion pack has been installed. Next, we will install a map. We will only install one map, but the procedure is the same for all three. Right-click on the map file, select Extract All, deselect Show Extracted Files when complete, then click Extract. When the file is through extracting, the folder will be on the desktop. Next, we will start the Minecraft EDU launcher. We will click Open, choose Open Maps folder, click Saved Worlds, and then you can drag the extracted map folder right into the Minecraft folder. And then your map has been installed. And we can close out of the launcher. For this final step of the Minecraft setup, we will start the Minecraft server with one of the maps that we installed. We will check that the superhero expansion pack was properly placed, and then we will save our map on the server. First, open the Minecraft launcher, select Start Minecraft EDU Server Launcher, select Saved World, select Code Academy, and start server with selected Save World. As the server starts, we'll be waiting for this server light to turn green. One point to notice while you're waiting for that is this is the address you'll need to use to connect the other computers to the server. Once the server is started, we can restore the launcher and start Minecraft EDU. And click Launch. Once Minecraft starts, you'll need to select a name and a gender. Select Multiplayer. If you're connecting to the server from another computer, the best way to connect is to click Add Server and then type the server address that was found on the server window. You want to put that address into the server address and then click Done. That's not the way we'll be connecting right now. But once you do that, that server will appear in this server list. And then every time the student wants to connect, all they need to do is click the server to highlight it and then click Join Server. Because we're running the server on this computer, we will click Direct Connect and then we will type localhost and then Join Server. At that point, you'll either need to select I am a student or I am a teacher. I will select I am a teacher, input my password, click Login as teacher. Once we appear in the Code Academy world, if we turn around and look, we should see Captain America. And if we do see Captain America, then we know that our superhero expansion pack was properly placed. If the expansion pack was not properly placed, you will still see Captain America's name above the character, but you will not see the proper Captain America costume. We are through with this little test. We can disconnect from the server and quit the game, and we will save our Code Academy map. We will save it under a different name. That way we will maintain the integrity of the original file if we would like to use it for more than one class. In each class, at the end of each class, we want to make sure that we do save this file so that all the changes the students have made as they progress through each challenge has been saved. So I will just change this map name to Code Academy Test and click Save Map. It says save was successful, so I'll click OK. Now, if I was saving this map, say at the end of my second class, I would want to use the same name, Code Academy Map, but when I click Save Map, it warns me that there's already a save with that name. So in order to keep the same name for this map and keep using the same map, I would just say, yes, I would like to overwrite. And once again, I'll get a message that tells me the save was successful. If you get a message that tells you the save was not successful, just try and save it again, and it should work out all right. At this point, I can click Stop Server. It will ask me if I want to go back to the server launcher or if I just want to quit. It will also remind me to save as well. So I'll just quit at this point. And that concludes the Minecraft setup for this course. In addition to the Minecraft setup, you'll also need to make sure that Lightbot runs on your computer. In order for Lightbot to run, you need to have Flash installed. Flash is often found as a plugin with a browser. That being the case, if you go to run Lightbot, your computer may ask you which program you'd like to associate Lightbot with. If that is the case, you can always select Open With and then choose a browser, say Internet Explorer, and I will try and do that, and it does not open. That being the case, it probably means that Flash is not installed on my computer. This is a link to the Flash Player test. It's also found in the written technical guide. Can be found at on the Adobe website. And if I press this Check Now button, I'll see that Flash is either not installed or not enabled, and it goes through the steps to install Flash Player. I also have a link here to install the Flash Player. So I'll go ahead and install the Flash Player. When we arrive at the download page, we'll be asked if we'd like to install some additional software. We might have to select Run to install the software. At this point, a window popped up that is not visible in this video. It asked me if I would like to allow Adobe to make changes to the computer. Select Yes. We'll have a few things that we need to select, whether we will let Flash update itself. After installation is complete, we can click Finish, or it will open up an advertisement. After we installed it, we can go back and do the Flash test again. And we see that Flash has been installed, the version number and whatnot. And if we go down here, we can see the animation as well. So we know that Flash has been installed. Now we can try Lightbot again. I've already chosen what program to open Lightbot with Internet Explorer. So at this point, if I try and click on it, it already has the program association. And we have Lightbot. Lightbot will need to be copied onto the desktop of each student computer, and each computer will need to be tested to be sure that Lightbot is running properly.